welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to fix Gmail notification not working on Android. So let's start. So first let's go to Gmail, and here on Gmail let's go to the three lines on the top left corner here, and then just scroll down and let's go to settings. Here on settings, just select the account that you prefer. In this case I will select this one, and then here just go to the part that says notification. Okay, so let's go to here on notifications, all notification, and you can select all of them, and then you can select also manage notifications. In this part you select if you want a priority or show notifications, allow floating notification, sounds and vibration, so you can select all of them and activate it. That way all the notifications will receive on your iPhone or phone without any problem and always have the priority of everything. So that's the way to do it. As you can see, it's very easy. You can modify any notification from any account on Gmail, as you can see, and that's the way to do it. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.